Here we have a lovely member of the zeolite family with several crystals. We obviously have the little pyramids of the apophyllite. Got some little cubes, which could be apophyllite without the top, or they could be apofluorite. And then the crystal that's slightly peach is Heulandite. Heulandite and stilbite at one point were actually thought to be the same crystal, but they've now been classified as different. Again, we've got apophyllite pyramids, even some of them being double terminated. Some druzy apophyllite, I suspect, and again, a few crystals that seem to be Heulandite. Very hard to tell. They look very similar to apophyllite in these two clusters, but they're actually just thin pieces. They'll never grow that wide.